If you think beans and bullets will save you, think again. These 12 chemicals could be the difference between surviving and thriving. Hi folks, Suburban Prepper, former 160th SOAR flight medic, combat veteran and nurse practitioner, and today we're diving into the overlooked, everyday chemicals that will be worth their weight in gold. When the grid goes down and store shelves are stripped bare, these aren't just nice to haves. These are the game changers that can purify water, start fires, preserve food, and keep you healthy when it matters most. Survival starts with clean water. Without it, nothing else matters. 1. Calcium hypochlorite, pool shock. This unassuming pool chemical is a water purification powerhouse. A single 1-pound bag can treat thousands of gallons of water. But here's the catch. You need the kind that lists only calcium hypochlorite as the active ingredient. No algicides, no fungicides. To use it, you'll make a stock solution and dilute it into your water. The exact ratios depend on the product's concentration, usually 65–75%, so don't wing it. Look up the CDC or EPA guidelines for emergency water disinfection, print them out, and store them with a chemical. It's far more stable and longer lasting than liquid bleach, making it a top-tier prep. 2. Unscented household bleach. Good old bleach is a survival classic. For water purification, add 8 drops per gallon of clear water, or 16 drops for cloudy water. Stir, wait 30 minutes, and check for a faint chlorine smell. No smell? Repeat the dose and wait another 15 minutes. Beyond water, bleach is a sanitation MVP. A diluted solution can disinfect surfaces, medical tools, and even your hands when soap and water aren't an option. Fire is life. It's warmth, cooked food, and security. 3. Potassium permanganate plus. 4. Glycerin. This duo is pure prepper magic. Potassium permanganate is a powerful oxidizer, and glycerin is a thick, sweet liquid you can find at any pharmacy. Combine them and you've got instant fire. Here's how. Place a small pile of potassium permanganate on a non-flammable surface, make a dent in the pile, and add a few drops of glycerin. Step back. Within seconds, you'll have a hot purple flame ready to ignite your tinder. While potassium permanganate has been used for water purification and wound care in the past, modern health authorities don't recommend it. Stick to its fire starting and emergency signaling capabilities. It's a reliable backup when matches fail. In a post-collapse world, sanitation is an option. It's survival. 5. Lye, sodium hydroxide. Lye is the cornerstone of soap making, a critical skill for preventing disease. By mixing lye with animal fat or plant-based oils, you can create real soap to keep your family and camp clean. But lye is no joke. It's highly caustic and can cause severe burns. Always wear gloves, goggles, and work in a ventilated area. And remember, always add lye to water, never the other way around to avoid a dangerous reaction. 6. Tincture of benzoin. This underrated medkit item is a lifesaver for wound care. It's a mild antiseptic, but its real superpower is making bandages stick. Apply it around a wound, and your medical tape or steri strips will stay put, even in wet or active conditions. 7. Activated charcoal. This fine black powder is a must-have for treating certain poisons. It works by binding toxins to its massive surface area, preventing absorption. But here's the deal. It's not a cure-all. It doesn't work on corrosive substances or petroleum products, and it should only be used under medical guidance. Still, in a no-help-is-coming scenario, it could save a life. Preserve what you've got. Maintain your gear. 8. Potassium nitrate, saltpeter. A prepper classic with 2 key uses. It's a critical ingredient in black powder for those who reload ammunition. It's a traditional food preservative, especially for curing meats like bacon or jerky. It inhibits bacteria growth and extends shelf life without refrigeration. 9. Citric acid. This natural preservative is a home canning essential. It ensures safe acidity levels in foods like tomatoes, preventing bacterial growth. It's also great for keeping cut fruits from browning and making homemade electrolyte drinks. 10. Borax. This old school laundry booster is a pest killer, mold fighter, and powerful cleaner. Sprinkle it to combat ants and roaches, or use it to prevent mildew. But let's be clear, borax is not safe for food preservation. Stick to its proven uses. You already have these in your home. Time to see their full potential. 11. White vinegar. This humble liquid is a multitasking marvel. Use it to pickle vegetables, clean surfaces, or deodorize your space. Its acidity makes it a natural disinfectant and preservative. 12. Baking soda. Baking soda is your go-to for putting out small grease fires. Dump it on the flames, and it releases carbon dioxide to smother them. Beyond that, it's a cleaner, an antacid, and a leavening agent for baking. These 12 household chemicals are survival game changers for every suburban prepper. Stockpile smart. Protect your family when the grid goes down. Now it's your turn. What overlooked chemical is a must-have in your preps? Did I miss something you swear by? If this opened your eyes to a new side of prepping and want to learn more, watch my video. 5. IFAC mistakes that kill and get your IFAC squared away right. The link is in the description. Stay safe and stay prepared.